Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Radiant Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, join the family, and our online training class is going on. Yes, if you want to register, you can contact me through my WhatsApp. Yeah, my WhatsApp contact is below the description box, and my Instagram page is up here on the screen. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you this tube that you can actually use to activate your base cream, to activate your cream like super effective. Okay guys, these creams are super effective. They are tube cream, and this cream cannot be recommended on the face. Like, I would not recommend you to apply this cream on your face directly. If you want to apply it on your face directly, you also need to mix it, make it a little bit gentle, because they are really strong. These tubes are trusted, like they have been tested and trusted. I use them a lot and the result is absolutely good. Absolutely good. So guys, the first cream here is the Laba Musculos. I don't know if you can see this. So this is the Laba Musculos tube cream. Guys, this cream is great. Very great. It has a mild peeling. That is why I don't recommend you applying it on your skin directly. Okay, it peels the skin, like mild peeling. So we have something we call mild peeling. We have something we call rough peeling, but this one is mild. Okay, so if you want to use this cream, you just have to mix it with your base cream and you're going to get effective results. Okay, this cream is going to give you that magic like great benefit on your skin. If you're using it to promise, you can use it on your skin like you're promising to use on your skin. And if you're selling, you can also promise this to sell. Okay, so guys, this cream has lot of oil. It has a lot of oil, so if you're promising with this one, just like try to reduce your other oil that you'll be adding to your cream. Or maybe you can make a base cream without any oil. Actually, you can make a base cream without oil. Just use your wax and your stearic acid or cetyl alcohol and make a base cream that has no oil on it. Then you can now start adding in your whitening oils and your tube. So this tube is great. I'm going to tell you how you can also use them, like combine them to have a very great benefit. Okay guys, so guys, remember I said this cream peels the skin, not peels, a mild peeling exfoliation. So now if you're promising with it, you're going to have that beautiful exfoliated brightening skin soon. So they have different type of the turmeric, like different cartons, different colors. So I haven't tried the other cartons. This one is the one I've been using, so I'm going to bring out the tube inside. Okay, so this is the color. This is a tube inside. They have different cartons, so I believe they also do the same job, but I've been using this one. I'm used to this one, so you can get any one of your choice, or you can just go for this color, this green. Okay, so guys, the next cream here is Aloe Den cream. Aloe Den cream is great, like super effective for promising. Like promising, it is great. So this Aloe Den cream, I've not used it directly on the face, but I believe it's going to be more gentle than the other one, because the other one peels mildly, but this one no peeling at all, but it has this great lightening effect, and you can actually use this to promise your base cream. Let's just say you want to make something lightening, it's not something strong. These things are not for brightening, no, these things are for something strong. And they also help to target skin spots, like some people that have spots on their skin. This also helps to target skin spots, so you can actually promise with this one. Okay guys, and this cream have clobetasol. So most people will say, this cream have clobetasol. Of course, this is 0.5% clobetasol, and also this other one, the first one, also have 5%, sorry, 0.5% clobetasol. So clobetasol is a great treatment, like that melasma melasma, skin spots, skin lightening, Globatasol is really great. So the reason why people will say Globatasol can destroy your skin is when you're using it in the wrong way. Like some people, like, okay, this product is produced in Italy. Okay, this product is produced in Italy and they are produced by white people. So they don't go outside the rules of skincare. They use the exact percentage. They know they know that if they use more percentage, it is going to destroy the skin. So they actually go for the exact percentage. Let's just say if this cream is made by a Nigerian person or African person, something like Congo, Senegal, I swear, they are going to use even 10% of Globatasol and it's going to destroy the skin. So this is just half percent of Globatasol. So do not panic because there's Globatasol inside, it's going to destroy the skin. No, relax, chill. So guys, this Aloe Den tube is great to promise your cream, and this one has no oil inside. Okay, like if you apply it on your skin directly, you're not going to feel anything like oil on your skin. But for this one, if you apply it, you're going to feel a lot of oil, and it is very thick. You really need to massage. So that is why you have to use them to promise. And the third one also is our Patakata cream. So I believe everybody knows Patakata cream. When you come to the knuckles, this cream is great. It's just super great. We all know that Patakata also have this mild peeling. It also peels the skin mildly, not roughly. Okay, so it's going to help to exfoliate your skin if you use it to promise. So this Patakata cream, for those that have what is it called, pigmentation, you know, you have pigmentation on your face, I can advise that you can also use this on your face because of that mild peeling that it have. It can also help to exfoliate your face, take out those roughness, those pigmentation. It's going to peel them out mildly without being noticed, like, oh, our face is peeling, no things like that. No. So you can also promise Patakata cream with your base cream and add your serums, add your whitening oils, and you are good to go. Okay, so one thing when it comes to products like this, guys, I have checked the pH of these products and none of them is acidic. Now, if you want to promise your base cream with this product, make sure that your cream, the end pH of your cream is not going to be acidic, because this cream, they are not acidic, they are just 6. Okay, their pH is 6. So if you're producing with this, please don't add any acidic serum to it. Okay, because adding acidic serum to this one, meaning you have killed the potential benefit of this product, and hence it's going to bounce back. It's going to start to irritate your skin. So making any product, like activating your product with this tubes, make sure the end results is 6, or you add serums that the pH is also 6, not something that the pH is 3, not something that the pH is 4. And if you want to also add powders to your base cream, let's just say you're making your base cream with powders, please, because these products are not acidic, avoid any acidic powders, something like mandelic acid powder, something like salicylic acid powder. Okay, so those powders, they are really acidic. And there's something like lactic acid, yes, something like glycolic acid. So make sure that you avoid things like that, because they cannot go along with this product. Keep your product simple. So let me just give you these tips. If you have your, let's just say you have a pure base cream, right, and you want to activate them, you want to make the cream something strong, I will recommend that you add niacinamide powder to it. Okay, and you can also add alpha-arbutin powder to it. Okay, so what other powders you can add to it? At least 2 powders or 3 powders is okay. Don't do too much, like you want to add the whole powders in this world inside your product. You're just going to complicate the product. Okay, so let's just say niacinamide powder and alpha-arbutin powder are good to go. So then you add your tube. You can actually use 3 tubes. Let's just say you're making a 1000 ml cream. You can add this 3 tube to it, add your alpha arbutin, add your niacinamide powder to it, and you add your raw whitening oils. So let's just keep the serums aside, because I don't know if you can get, or if you can be able to get any serum that actually have pH that is up to 6. Okay, so let's just use raw whitening oils only, because oils do not have any pH guidelines. Okay, so you can go for Snow White oil, Egyptian oil, Arabian oil, Afghans oil, those raw whitening oils. Okay, you can use those raw whitening oils to also mix with this product, and you are good to go. You have your lightening cream. Guys, please, this is allowed on your face, no problem. For those that have pigmentation, no, not because you want to lighten up your face. Okay, those that have pigmentation, so that it can help to peel out those pigmentation from your face. And this is not allowed. I don't know, you can go and try it, but for me, I'm not going to recommend this on your face. Okay, so the Aloe Den, also for people that have pigmentation, you can also try this, and you can mix 3 of these together with your powder and with your raw whitening oils, and you have your lightening cream. So guys, go and try this recipe and come back and drop your comments below the comment section. Tell me if it's good, if it's strong enough for you. If it's not strong enough for you, then we can also, try to add more stuff to it. Yes guys, so please try to register for our online training class, so that you can be a professional, not just YouTube videos you go and make and say at the end of it your customer will be crying, shouting, your product is not effective. When it comes to training, there are some secrets you guys need to know about it. Okay guys, so thank you, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.